That's a lesson learned, to never say never until you try. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's Friday, so you know it's about to be an awesome weekend as usual. Good morning, you guys. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day, whatever time of the day you guys is watching this video. Hopefully you guys stay positive, stay motivated. You are watching this video, which means that you have life, and we do hope that you are grateful to be alive, just like we are grateful to be alive. We're humbled because you chose to watch our video. We are forever grateful. We are growing. We thank you guys so much. On that note, I got up this morning and of course I work out, and you know when Mel gets her workout in, it's about to be a beautiful day. It's going to be a good day. I declare it going to be a good day. Whenever I get my workout, it is as if I'm in a totally different world. I'm transformed. My mind is free. I know it is a 99% chance that my day is going to be perfect. So I got my workout in this morning, which is awesome. I had breakfast. I look after my baby, gave him his fruits, and he's actually outside playing because it is a beautiful day outside. Let me just show you guys what outside is looking like right this minute. This is outside. It's looking really good, and look who is over there playing. You're playing, huh? Look at him. You just enjoying this weather, don't you? You're enjoying outside? Say good morning. Say hello.
Bye-bye.
Say hello. Blow them kisses. Mwah. Mwah. Good job. He's outside playing. He's enjoying this weather. It feels really good. I don't need that sweater to come outside, so this is really good. I can't wait to buy furnitures. Yes, my love. I can't wait to buy furniture for out here to just sit and enjoy the weather. But the reason why we haven't buy those furniture for out here as yet is because we were waiting for the winter to pass, so that we can really start looking and condition our mind to find furnitures for out here. But then we're gonna have to be really careful when we put furnitures out here, because then we're gonna have to pay more attention to Tyler when he's out here, because you know he's going to want to climb on things, and you know what I mean. So yeah, Tyler is really enjoying outside, and it's a really beautiful day today. Baby's off to work as usual, so I'm just here getting my morning routine in, getting some stuff done around the house. So hopefully you guys get your workout in. Workout this morning was really good for me. That was awesome. And on that note, the Jamaican expression for today is from me yai de amini. This is more like a proverb. From me yai de amini. You say that? Can you say it? Say it with me. From me yai de amini. This simply means ever since you were a kid, means long time ago, in referencing to something long time ago. For example, if somebody said to me, Mel, have you done such and such? My response will be, yeah, from me idea mini. It's just in reference to something long time ago, ever since you were younger, or you get it? Make sure you get it. So that's the Jamaican expression for today. And when babe gets home later, of course, he's going to put his spin on things. Thank you, Papa.
Papa. Papa. Papa. Papa. Papa.
Answer. You giving Papa kisses? Mwah. Mwah. He's the cutest thing talking to Papa on the phone. Talk to Papa on the phone.
Papa.
Papa.
That's all you want to say, Papa? Say Papa?
Papa.
Alright, I love you, baby.
I love you too, honey. Mwah, mwah. That's the cutest thing when babe calling the day for Tyler to just run to the phone and say, Papa? Papa? He's the cutest thing ever. I can't wait for the day when he starts to have conversation, when he picks up the phone. He's just too cute. So right now I'm about to go give Tyler a bath and put him down for a nap so I can get some work done and make my lunch. So I'll catch up with you guys later. Okay, you guys, so Tyler is done for a nap and it's time for me to make some lunch really quick because I want to take him out to enjoy this beautiful day when he wakes up. So I'm going to try and make myself some lunch. So today for lunch, I am trying this. This is a mixture of spinach, broccoli, and green beans. In French, it's called le galette de légumes. Legume in French means vegetables, beans. So this is what they look like. When I tried when I bought them last week, I didn't really like the first pack that I tried, but I have one pack left and I'm not gonna waste it. So I'm going to go ahead and have these for lunch. So let's see how they turn out. I'm actually going to put them on the stove to let them fry for about 10 minutes. So let's see how this goes. You guys, so that's lunch and they look really scary. I'm afraid to taste these right now. But let's taste it. Let me taste it and see what it tastes like. I'm not so sure about these. I hope this wasn't a bad idea, you guys, but I'm gonna taste it and see. They always say what is good for you don't normally looks good, but it smells good. It actually tastes good. And it tastes really good too. Alright, I see you. It actually tastes better than the first one that I've tried. So this is what lunch is gonna be. You guys, I'm eating and I'm so surprised. I have to come and tell you how bomb this is. That's why they always say never until you try, because this is so good. Who would have thought spinach, broccoli, no, spinach, yeah, spinach, broccoli, and green beans would have tasted this good? It's so good. So now I know that this one is good, so I can continue buying this one. It is really, really good. I was about to not eat this and just let it stay in the fridge until forever, but I'm happy I tried it. That's a lesson learned, to never say never until you try, especially French food. Okay, you guys, so Tyler and I decided to head to the park to have a little fun. It's a little bit chillier than I thought, but that's okay. The sun is out and we're gonna have a good time. We're gonna have a good time. So we're just heading to the park right now to have some fun, right, baby? Come on, look at him. Come on. He's so excited. You have his bubbles in his hand. You're going to slide? Go on. Go. My kid never walks. He's running. Such a big boy. Go on. Go. Up. Good. Good job. Good job. Good job. And you're looking. Good job. Baba Manamo. Good job. Baba. Yeah. Come. Whoa. Yay. Baba. High five. Good job. Give Mama a kiss. Since today is Friday, I'm gonna just let myself loose in the kitchen just a little bit, and I'm not gonna go so healthy today with dinner. So what I'm gonna do for dinner is that I'm gonna make some chicken that I have already seasoned right here. It should be well thawed out and it's ready to cook. So what I'm gonna do with this chicken is that I am going to half cook it on the stove first, kind of like frying it a little bit, and then I'm going to let it finish in the oven. And I am going to be making some drumroll, some fried dumplings. Yes, fried dumplings. I'm going light today, and I'm going one of my all-time favorite Jamaican thing to eat. Okay, I'm going Jamaican all out tonight for dinner. Ready and everybody's happy. Baby's home.
Hi guys. Wee. Hi guys, good evening everybody, home and tired, but it's Friday. So Friday means it's the weekend, means you can have a lot of fun, means you want to do some things and no work tomorrow. So I'm just gonna enjoy and rest my evening in order to feel good for the next 2 days. I see you smiling. You want to do something? You plan some things to surprise me this weekend?
No, I have no surprise for you this weekend at all.
Yeah.
You guys, and actually Babe came home early today. I was so excited when he came home. It was long before Tyler bedtime, so I know he would get to spend some time with Ty, and Ty has been super excited about that because he's been all over Papa when he got home. It's almost Tyler bedtime. We're gonna put him to bed in a bit. Yes. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Babe, the Jamaican expression for today is from me idea mini.
Familia, what that mean?
You don't hear what it is as yet?
Familia,
No.
familia,
From
from
me,
me,
yai,
yai,
de,
de,
ami,
ami,
ni.
ni.
Yes.
From me, I, iye, e, danini. That's too complicated. From me, yai, me,
De,
de,
ami.
amini.
Yes.
From me, yai, de, amini.
Right.
From me, yai, de, amini.
Yes.
What it means? Like you tired?
No. It translates a long time ago from you were a kid.
Okay.
For example, if somebody said to you, Mel, when was the last time you've been to Jamaica? I'm gonna say,
from me, yai, me, adini.
Say it again.
For me, yai, me, adini.
No. Say it.
For me, yai, de, amini.
Yes, honey, yes. Baby, so hilarious. So there you have babe take on the Jamaican expression, and Tyler is just here not giving me a break. He's just all over me, all over me.
Poor
I'm
Tyler.
about you. But
Poor Tyler. Enough.
say bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Say au revoir. Blow them kisses.
Mm.
Mwah. Alright you guys, so we're just gonna go ahead and end the vlog here and call it a night with you guys. Hopefully you guys really enjoyed today's vlog. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, join the family, catch up and keep up, and we'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.
Bye.
Tyler, au revoir. Say bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Blow them kisses. Mwah.
Mm.
Good job.